So let us start question number 21 of your exercise 3.2. We are given few metrics, that is x, the order of x is 2 cross n, y is given, w is given, p is given and z is given. So order of various matrices are given over here. Okay. Before we start this example question 21, I would like to remind you once again that if I want to perform AB and if I want it to be defined, then the number of columns of matrix A has to be equal to the number of rows of matrix B. तब भी जाके AB है वो defined होगा. Okay, this is the fundamental that required to calculate question number 21. Okay, so the question is like this: the restriction on NKP so that py plus wy will be defined are. Okay, and then after few options are given. तो start करते हैं, ये हमारा आंसर है. Okay, so what I want is py plus wy should be defined. That means py and wy both individually should be defined. ये दोनों individually defined होने चाहिए. Now py का define होना मतलब what? So the order of p is p cross k, order of y is 3 cross k. Okay, so I'm just writing that p, so that is p cross k, order of y is 3 cross k. Now if I want the py to be defined, then the number of columns in matrix P, number of columns in matrix P has to be equal to number of rows in matrix Y. It means that the value of k is equals to 3. अगर आप ऑप्शंस में आंसर देखोगे तो k इक्वल्स टू 3 वाले दो ऑप्शंस आपको मिलेंगे, एक A है और एक C है. सो अभी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि A और C में से कौन सा सही ऑप्शन है. So let us go through wy now. Okay, so wy has to be defined. अगर इसको define करना है, so w is n cross 3, y is 3 cross k, so it is written n cross 3 and 3 cross k. As we can see that number of columns in matrix W is the same as number of rows in matrix Y, and that is how I can say that the answer of wy will be the same. Now if I will try to find out the order of matrix wy, then it will be n cross k. Over here the py matrix is there. If I will try to find out its order, then it will be p cross k. Now it comes for the defined condition for addition. ये एडिशन करना है तो ये फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स है या सेकंड मैट्रिक्स है, दोनों के ऑर्डर्स है वो सेम होने चाहिए. दैट मीन्स पी वाई का ऑर्डर है वो पी क्रॉस के है, डब्ल्यू वाई का ऑर्डर है दैट इज एन क्रॉस के, एंड दे बोथ हैज टू बी सेम. ओके, सो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि p की वैल्यू है वो n जितनी होनी चाहिए. ये तो k ही है वैसे भी, लेकिन एज वी हैव डिस्कस द वैल्यू ऑफ k हैज टू बी 3. तो आप देखोगे ऑप्शन में, सो द ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ओके, दैट इज द राइट आंसर.